Hey guys, iQueenX here, back at it again with another video. Unajua tuko kwa zile ma daily uploads like
You should take it slow.
So today first of all I'd like to thank you all for taking your time to check out the channel. Unajua we've hit a milestone of late, and in the sub count, I guess, and it's nice to see like the channel growing and stuff. I know I don't say it much, but well, thank you. So today I'm alone. The government ilisema social distancing is a must, so the coming vlogs I'll probably be alone, and will be just me and the car, as you can see. And today I'll be doing something. I feel I was sitting and I just felt like I needed to do something to this, even though right now you can't go to the garages because the government directives, you never know where you might catch the virus. So, and please stay safe, people. See, Staki is kitty. One of you may infect you. Yeah. So so today I'm going to take this to the car wash. I'm going to do something to the wheels that I've been thinking, and maybe something to the radiator at least yet kukaa vibaya. I don't know. I just want to get content out there. Actually, the COVID thing that ruined a lot of plans. Hatuna events za kwenda. We cannot go to meets. As you know, this year I had a resolution like to attend all the pizza meets and like document all of them, so that if anybody wanted to know about the pizza meet from January to December on the year 2020, they'd come to my channel. Okay, they'd probably see it on the channel how each and every month was, but on April, this month, because of the government directive, we are not able to do it. So as I was saying, as in the government directive, with the pizza meet situation. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the April month. I'll probably make a compilation of January, February, and March, and then just call it pizza meet in quotes, April meet. I don't know. I don't know how it will turn out. I really wanted to document those meets from January to December, and I don't know. I'll probably make just the compilation video and fill out April, and if next month comes and you're still under lockdown or any of the social distancing is still in effect, or the curfews, I'll probably I don't know. I'll figure something out. So without further much ado, we'll just I'll probably just drive to the car wash. I want to take it to a friend who owns a car wash. He's really a master at washing cars, and yeah, he's a good friend of mine, so at least I can trust him with leaving the car with him. So yeah, on the next clip. literally no clutch. Oh no. Okay. We made it. Yeah. It's a marvel, especially with no clutch. So we got the products, spray paint, fairly cheap, and some tape. That is all we're going to need today. Let's take you up a bit. So, out of the car wash, headed home. Whoa. that was the drive home. It was really excruciating. No AC in this car. No AC, no airbags. We die like real men. So right now I'm going to jack up the car, and then after that take off one wheel so that I can shoot them with the spray paint, see how it turns out. If I don't like it, I might reverse it. If I like it, you know, it might be there for a while. So yeah, okay, so let's do that. Done. So basically this is my wheel, which is a stock 14-inch rim that comes with the car, which is that one. So basically what I did before, I basically masked off the whole part, and I painted a white line, the white line you see right there on the rim. So today I want to refresh this to like a gloss black, and maybe, I don't know. So yeah, I want to paint it a gloss black. As you can see, there is some wear and tear where, you know, I actually did a matte black and I love the results, but you know, it's time to try something different. So I'm going to start that. Yeah. So I'm going to start with some light coats, like just cover the holes and the rust, and then, you know, just some light coats here and there. So I just put the last coat on, and as you can see, there's a huge difference. It's not much, but it's little things like this that make a car look good when it's standing still. Yeah, so I'm going to peel off this mask, some tape, and see if I did paint over the white line. Yeah, so let's do that. At least I masked it off. Well, I did get some overspray somewhere like here. I'm going to fix that with some sandpaper later. But basically, the wheel looks fresh. Fresh is a name to give wheels. But yeah, that's the current situation. So time to put it back on the car. So basically that's how it looks on the car. I also did on the same on the other one. All shiny and looking good. So yeah.